Hello and welcome to another Parts Factory Australia installation tutorial video. Today we're working on this Nissan Pathfinder or Nissan X-Trail. This video is going to work for both of those. If you need a new sun visor, we've got you covered. Guys, $103.30, you can have it shipped directly to your door, free express post within Australia, and of course yours truly. I'll show you right now how to throw it on. So let's just pretty much jump into this one, hey. Guys, the typical problem with these visors is they'll hang down in your face or even pull out of this section here. So if you do have these typical sun visor issues on a Pathfinder or X-Trail, it's easy just to replace it. So what you do, pop this little cap off here, find the side that it wants. Oh yeah, see how that happens much easier on this side. Yeah, so left to right, take this cap, stick it out of the way. Now your replacement visor will most likely have the same area for the cap as well, and that same little plug. So, 2 Phillips head screws, 1, 2, and the visor will pop out of the clip, pop this direction. Of course, we unplug the plug, and that's it. At that point, you can bring your new one up, plug in the plug, mount it in, and put your cap on. As you can see, there's nothing wrong with our original visor, so I'm not going to be putting this brand new visor into this car. I'll demonstrate how to reinstall. As you can imagine, plug in, tuck your wires up in there, and you want to start from the back, locking the back in, and then getting your Phillips head screws. You can jam them up in there with your finger. Once one is holding, you can bring your Phillips head screw up, tightening up a little bit. I've got one here as well. Clip it into place, and then your little cap from right to left, bang like that, and of course that's job complete, guys. Guys, as you can see, we have an OEM replica product. It includes the little sunshade slide, English writing, unlike a lot of the other cheap Chinese manufacturers, and of course all of our parts here at Parts Factory come with a 3-year warranty. So definitely get in and check it out. Look at that interior light as well, so definitely cruise onto the website and check it out. As if you do need the part, make sure just click the description of this video. The link's going to be there, and if you've enjoyed the video, it's a really short 1-minute long clip, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. We've got plenty more content like this on its way. Thanks for that.